Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I am in Gion, in Kyoto, inside some, I don't know what religion, but inside some temples, and I'm not allowed to speak very loudly, so that's why the intro was so quiet. But yeah, let's check it out. Something weird about Japan is that they actually let you touch the artwork. You normally can't do that in any other place that I've been to. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. I suppose that this room is some kind of meditation place because it's one of the only rooms that you are not allowed to go inside, which is a shame. I really wanted to try and sit down on one of the cushions. I don't know if you can tell from the video, but the letters are actually some kind of plant. It's pretty neat. See? This is a very quiet and zen place, and a lot of people, from what I can tell, just come here and they sit on the ground and they just look at the gardens, which are very beautiful. In every single one of these temples, you are required to take out your shoes so that you can come inside. But in this one, there's also another part of the temple, and you have to walk on the outside. And for that, they give you these slippers. They are very uncomfortable. I just showed you, the one behind me with the dragon painting, is actually about 400 years old, but the painting is pretty new. It's about 17 years old, and there's no other way to describe it but as amazing. That was fantastic. It's huge. It's the size of the whole ceiling. Yep. Thank God I don't have to use this anymore. And that is the Japanese Big Ben. Not really.